the dark side of the internet. Hello, this is Karina Duenas reporting on internet crimes, focusing on scams and schemes we face on a daily basis. This presentation will explain what identity theft is and will provide tips on how you can protect yourself. After listening to this presentation, you will be able to understand what identity theft is and why it is important to guard against it. You will learn to recognize strategies that scam artists use to access private information and how to guard against phishing and identity theft online. Now, what is online identity theft? Online identity theft happens when someone steals your personal information, such as your name, social security number, and credit card information. They do this for financial gain and other highly illegal purposes. How does online identity theft occur? Unfortunately, there are many different methods scam artists have to steal your identity today. The first I will talk about is phishing. Phishing is when cybercriminals send emails acting like they're from a financial institution or other trusted organizations. They try to trick you into opening attachments or clicking on links and having you provide your personal information. Next, I'm going to talk about pharming. Pharming occurs when your browsing is compromised by a virus. This happens when you type in a legitimate website URL but are redirected to a fake site that looks legitimate. Now these cybercriminals can collect any personal information you have entered. You can also encounter malicious software. This is when you download malware, which will attack your computer and reveal your personal identifiable information. You may accidentally visit an unsecure website, so avoid shopping online on websites that are not secure. You'll usually be able to see on the site that it'll say that it's a secure site. After you get rid of any old computers or mobile devices, you must make sure that they're completely wiped clean. If you leave any of your personal information on there, these con artists will be able to access much of your accounts, possibly credit card number, social security, or anything that has been on your phone previously. How can you protect yourself? Well, ignore unsolicited emails and online requests for information. Then, if you by chance get these emails and you do want to visit the site, then type in the URL rather than clicking on any sort of link sent to you. It's a great idea to consider purchasing online security software. Keep your computer operating software up to date as much as possible. When using passwords, make sure you use a unique, long password. And if at all possible, have different passwords for your different accounts. It sometimes can get very complicated, but it will help protect your identity. When you are surfing the web, make sure you only visit official secure websites with the HTTPS website, not HTTP. Children are often targeted online. So if you have students or kids, you need to make sure that you closely monitor any personal information that they're sharing when using an internet-connected device. Overall, you can never be too careful when sharing your information online. If you are concerned with any of your accounts, call the company's customer service department from their official website. I hope you now have a better understanding of the different scams and schemes we face today, and you have gained a better understanding on how you can protect yourself and all of your personal information.